Hi Dooneystas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick unboxing of an item that I am actually fairly excited for. So a couple of weeks back I had asked the Dooneystas of the Den a question as to what color they would choose if they had to choose between Jade and Caribbean Blue. So at that point, I was considering the city leather satchel in those two colors. And I kind of just let it pass me and didn't think about it, and I ended up getting the Caribbean Blue pebbled leather crossbody to kind of satisfy that little craving. But I recently ran across one of those colors and I found an item that I haven't seen in a while as far as that particular color in that particular style. And also I do not own a bag like this or in this particular collection, so I thought that this would be a perfect time to add it, and also to add one of the colors that I had been wanting. So anyway guys, if you are interested in seeing what is in the box, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so here is the item and here is how it came wrapped. And I am just a tad bit nervous, not because of how it's wrapped, but because of the size of box. But this bag is one of the softer leathers, so I may be okay. So let's just take a look. So you guys, I am excited about this bag, but I'm also a little bit nervous because normally I don't go for bags that is in this type of material, but let's just see. Okay guys, I am a little bit nervous, but here's how she's packed. So let's just take her, oh my gosh you guys, let's take her out. So let's just see. I don't smell any smells or anything right off the bat, which is good. So let's see, she is wrapped pretty nicely. So, okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. So let's see how I can take her out here. Oh. All right, guys, so here is a peek. Oh my gosh, you guys. Wow, look at this color. Okay, here she is, guys. She is the Dooney Bourke McKenzie Hobo in the color Jade. The camera is not doing this color any justice at all. Oh my gosh, absolutely beautiful color. So this is a Hobo, and it is, I'm assuming, in the smooth leather, but it's called the McKenzie. And this is new with tags, and I can tell the tags are in the right spot here. And yes, this is the McKenzie Hobo in the color Jade. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Nice smooth zipper. Very nice and smooth. Oh my, you guys, look at that. And it did come with the matching accessory. So, and again, I know it's new with tags because all of this is still connected. So let's just take that off. Let's take a look at the pouch. Oh my gosh, you guys. Wow. look at this color, and this is in the color Jade. And like I said, a majority of the Dooneystas actually voted for the color Jade. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. And I don't own anything in the smooth leather, so, and I was thinking that it was going to be a little bit too slouchy for me, but this is not slouchy at all. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. You guys, look at this. Lots of organization. It also has some card slots there and a pocket here in the front. Absolutely beautiful. Just check her out. I mean, you guys, I know she's new. The corner, very nice and large bag. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. I am so excited to be able to add this collection. What in the world have I been waiting on? So as you can see, she is not stuffed, but a real Dooneysta always has stuffing around. So let's just stuff her really quick and see how she looks all stuffed. Okay guys, so here she is all stuffed. Absolutely beautiful. I will insert some shots of the true color of this bag because this camera and lighting is not doing her any justice at all. Absolutely beautiful. So anyway guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of my Dooney Bourke McKenzie Hobo in the color Jade. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.